Ever needed to share a Word document without worrying about formatting messes or compatibility issues? Today, we're diving into the simple yet powerful skill of converting your Word files to PDF directly on your laptop, ensuring your documents look exactly how you intended, everywhere. This process is crucial for professional presentations, secure sharing, and making your work universally accessible. Let's get started with the first, and often easiest, method using Microsoft Word itself. Open the Word document you want to convert. Once it's open, navigate to the File tab in the top left corner of your Word window. Click on File. You'll see a menu appear on the left side. Look for and select Save As. Now choose where you want to save your PDF. You can either browse your computer for a specific location or choose this PC to select a folder. The magic happens in the Save As type drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down, and you'll see a list of file formats. Scroll down until you find PDF selected. Before you hit Save, you have some options. Click on Options next to the Save button. Here you can choose what to publish, like Standard for online viewing and printing, or minimum size for smaller files. For most cases, Standard is perfect. Click OK on the Options window. Finally, give your PDF a name if you wish, and click the Save button. Congratulations! You've just converted your Word document to a PDF right from Word. If you prefer using online tools or don't have a recent version of Word, many free online converters are available. A quick search for Free Word to PDF Converter will give you plenty of options. Let's use one as an example. You'll typically see a button to upload or choose file. Click this and select the Word document from your laptop. Once uploaded, the converter will process your file. You'll then see a Download button appear. Click on it to save your newly created PDF to your laptop. Whether you use the built-in Word feature or an online converter, the result is a professional, universally compatible PDF. This not only keeps your formatting intact, but also enhances security and ensures your content looks its best on any device. That's how easy it is to convert Word to PDF on your laptop.